Paano natin malalaman pag naka-live na tayo? Kasi ikaw nga mag-go signal.
VGG! 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 WXP is our unique XP point that can be used as credit to purchase merchandise on our platform. You can earn WXP by participating in activities such as quests, events, and tournaments on the platform. You can check your task by clicking on your Tasks tab to complete the task and claim a reward. You can check your WXP by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. WXP can be used to purchase items on our marketplace at w3gg.io/marketplace. More items will be available in the future. That's not all. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future.
Hello, hello, and I think we are live. How are you guys? How are you, Sir Jason?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
All right, that's good. That's good. So we are now live at WGG. So this is actually the first ever we class, the first ever learning center of WGG. So I'm not sure who's watching us, but shout out to everyone who's watching us on our stream. I want to welcome you all to the collaboration of WGG and Kine University, where Kine is a decentralized exchange presented to provide cryptocurrency services for everyone. So if you want to learn how to trade and you're looking for an exchange or custodian that will provide you the best services, I advise you to check out Kind Protocol or you can message us directly about it. So, anyways, we are here for VGG. So we are honored and we are happy that we are part of VGG as well. So VGG is actually promoting now the We class. We're in at the moment we are with the Filipino mentor Sir Jason of AST Advanced Sequential Trading. So before we start our trading lesson for today, I would like to ask Sir Jason. Sir Jason, can you tell us about yourself and what is AST all about?
Yes, sir. Thank you for that kind introduction. I am Jason Magosara from the Philippines, and I've been starting to what do you call this? I've been starting to study or learn the trading since 2011. So, but that's just a basic approach, and then up to 2016, I have developed the strategy called advanced sequential trading, and that's an advanced use of divergence, and it is also collaborated with or confluence with Elliott wave theory. So I've been teaching AST and Elliott wave theory for approximately 6 years already. So it's been an honor to be part of this webinar engaged by VGG and Kain University.
Wow. So imagine that, guys. We are now with an OG of crypto, Sir Jason, who's been trading since 2011. Sir Jason, is it that since 2011 you've been trading cryptocurrency, or have you been trading Forex as well?
Since I was starting the trading, sir, it was just a plain learning way back 2011. So it has no, I mean, it's such little information about cryptocurrency because it was just very early. So it's more plain on learning from forex, how to trade forex. So I'm also part of the aspiring traders during that time to know how to trade. But when it's about 2016, so I developed the strategy. So I've been trading spot, uh, but not really focused because I am more focused on mentorship. So that's how I started.
Wow, that's an amazing story, actually. So yeah, actually, if you don't know, guys, that Bitcoin was actually introduced way back 2009, if I'm not mistaken, right, Sir Jason? It was introduced around
Correct.
2000, but I think it was really known by by the whole. It was introduced in the Web3 space, but I think later than 2010 or 2011, right? That's when. What year did Mount Gox started to trade the cryptocurrency, sir? Do you think? Have
Uh,
Mount Gox?
I've heard about Mount Gox, sir, but I have not really tried to trade under that platform because during that time I was more on learning on how to trade forex. I've already heard about crypto, but I mean BTC, but I have not really dive into it because there's no more much information about BTC. So my goal that time was to learn how to trade in forex so that when something pops up or new innovation pops up, so I can use it. So that's why when the cryptocurrency arrived, I have the materials to teach on how to trade cryptocurrency because during that time it's very difficult to find learning materials because when cryptocurrency is uh, slowly booming, I mean there's no really information on how to trade cryptocurrency. So we we took that from forex and developed and applied it in cryptocurrency.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So, guys, without further ado, of course, we are officially starting the week class by Sir Jason. So imagine, guys, here in week class or here in WGG, everything is free. Everything you can learn about cryptocurrency trading. And I think for sure, if you will stand by with us every Sunday during this time, wherever you are, it's evening or it's morning from your from where you are right now. Um, this is actually one of the best projects of VGG that they are actually promoting, because as you can see with Sir Jason before, the lessons, the learnings, the activities, even the information about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrencies, or even digital assets are very hard to find. And imagine now, we are presenting to you live and live, of course, right? So imagine that it's all free. The information is here, the guide is here, the path is here. So why not, let's give it a try to learn about trading. And as like I said a while ago, if you're going to be with us every Sunday for the week class session, I think for sure by the end of this session, or out the end of this course, you will be an effective trader for a long time. So I think even with Sir Jason, with his other students before, is now successful or has a big winning rate. But of course, trading has, or the market is somehow volatile. So be always to manage your risk at all times. So anyways, um, let's move on to the agenda for today, which is the first lesson of Sir Jason. Okay, so Sir Jason, please take the floor away from me. Are you still there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Ah, okay,
Thank
okay.
you for the uh, what do you call this? Is my screen visible, ladies
Um,
and
I,
gents?
I can confirm, sir, but I'm not sure. How
Anyone
about you?
can confirm?
Not, sir. We
Are
can
we
see
now?
your screen.
All right, that's good, that's good.
No, sir, we can see.
Ah, you cannot see. Okay, hold on. Can you try again, Sir Jason?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh,
I'm gonna try it on YouTube.
Windows. How about that, sir?
We can see now, sir.
Is it already visible, sir?
Yeah, we can see now.
All right. Thank you for that wonderful uh, present. I mean,
Introduction, I think.
introduction.
Yeah.
Anyway, ladies and gents, I'm very sorry if I'm not really good in English, since this is not my mother tongue. So please bear with me. So, without further ado, let's get started. This webinar is exclusive for WGG and Kind Protocol. This webinar will not be will not be possible without the collaboration with WGG and Kind Protocol. So this is a 3-month webinar every Sunday. So please bear with us and learn with us. For sure, in the end, you will be able to learn and know how to trade, how to be disciplined. And you can use that uh, to trade under Kind Protocol, or if you have something, or you are very enthusiast in gaming. So VGG is there. So now, let's get started. So today, or tonight, is the very basic presentation. So we'll be tackling about basic. So since this is the start of our webinar. So we'll be discussing this cryptocurrency chart reading, FA and PA. So we'll identify all of these. So since Kind Protocol has no demo yet, we will be doing a live analysis when time comes for this session. Okay, so we will also discuss in advance the divergence, the indicators, the cycle of divergence. Okay, so what is divergence? Type of divergence, indicators, okay, types of market cycle, what is RSI and its secret, MACD and its secret, and the cycle. Okay, so bullish, bearish, and the continuations. Okay, and also the management. So we'll be able to know how to manage our funds and use our fund compounding. And for sure, rules will always be there. Okay, so AST is already producing top and quality traders. So we already have a lot of traders out there who are already profitable in their trading journey. So they can testify to that. So now, why advanced sequential trading? So advanced sequential trading is a strategy developed to identify the occurrence of weakness or strongness of a certain market. This strategy is an advanced use of divergence to fully understand the nature of divergence. It is also an art of precise entry and exit, whether you are a scalper, intraday, or swing trader. Okay? When we say scalper, you will only trade for a period of minutes or a couple of minutes. When we say intraday, so it could take hours before you exit your trade. When we say swing, it could take weeks before you exit your trade. Okay? So advanced sequential trading is not just a strategy developed, it is also published, and it is also available on Amazon. So it is also a book. Okay, so it was published 2021. So advanced sequential trading has the vision and mission. Okay. So the vision of it is share the knowledge to aspiring traders through building their trading skills. Okay. You will be able to uh, build your trading skills when you know the advanced sequential trading. And our mission is to upskill the traders to develop the self-esteem and to have a robust trading pillars. I mean, yan. Sorry, basic. So we're here. So what is crypto? So according to Kaspersky.com, it is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually, and it uses cryptography to secure transactions. Okay, so crypto started by the so-called or screen name Satoshi Nakamoto way back 2009. Okay, so it uses cryptography to secure our transaction. So what is the difference between the cryptocurrency and the fiat currency? So fiat currency is, as we know, it is a physical money or money that we are using in our daily basis. Where in crypto, it is a digital, okay, digital transaction. So uh, we don't have to carry money anymore. So all transaction is made through digital. Okay, so that's the good news when it comes to cryptocurrency. Okay, so next, there are a lot of we called it crypto wallet. Okay, so here in the Philippines, the most common are Maya, Gcash, Abra, and so on. So there are a lot of digital wallet. But um, universally or uh, MetaMask and Trust Wallet is much more common nowadays. So these are the crypto wallet. Okay, so these are the examples of crypto wallet: MetaMask, Trust Wallet. What else? SafePal. So there are a lot of crypto wallets out there. Okay, so what is the use of crypto? Okay, so based from nerdwallet.com, it enables people to buy, sell, or trade them securely. Okay, so we are able to buy and sell, or we can trade it. So for example, we can use it to pay our bills, or any establishments that are accepting cryptocurrency. So we can use our crypto to pay. Okay, that's the good news there. So we can use crypto. We can buy, we can trade, or we can sell. And now, where can we trade our crypto? We can trade crypto, or crypto can be traded on centralized exchanges or decentralized exchange. So one of the examples there, when it comes to centralized, we have the Kind protocol. How about decentralized, sir? Where can we find that? Kind protocol is also offering decentralized. Okay? So Kind protocol is a dual purpose already. It is a centralized exchange, and at the same time it is also a decentralized exchange. Okay? So we also have WeGG, or We Guild Games. You can connect your crypto wallet to transact, or if you are a uh, uh, gaming enthusiast, so you can connect your crypto wallet there. Okay, so these are the examples of centralized, or centralized exchange, the Kind protocol. And also we can connect our decentralized wallet to WeGG. Okay, so now how are we going to secure our crypto? So based on security.org, first we should use two-factor authentication for your exchange. So two-factor authentication is just another password, okay, to secure your uh, crypto. Okay, so you need to set this two-factor authentication. So what else? Withdraw your crypto if you are in doubt, or if you have connected to a website that is suspicious to you. Okay, so never connect your crypto. So if somehow you have connected it, withdraw it immediately. Okay, so that's the second step that you need to do. Okay, so the third step, back up your seed words properly. Okay, so what is a seed words? So seed words is another term of seed phrase. So that's under crypto wallet. Okay, basically, seed words are a set of words that you can use it to log in your crypto wallet. Okay, so that's the very root password. So you have to back up those seed words, because for example, your phone got missing, or it broke. So you need to back up those seed words. so that you have extra, what do you call this, extra uh, backup. Okay. Now use a strong password to protect your crypto. So most commonly nowadays, a lot of people are using very easy to guess password, just like for example combination of first name and last name, or combination of full name with their birth date. So that's very easy to guess, so we should not use those easy to guess password. So we need to use strong password so that we can also secure our crypto. Okay. So another one is to use hardware wallet if possible. It's a kind of USB type, so it's available out there. You can buy one if you have some budget. Okay, so that's another thing to secure your crypto. And then, of course, check the URL. Okay, we need to check the URL if it is the original URL we are going to going to enter, because there are fake website or fake software. So we need to check the URL. Okay, so number 7, don't enter your seed words on a website. Example, there is a website asking for your seed words. So never put use your seed words, because that's only for you. Okay? So we should not put our seed words there. Okay? So avoid public Wi-Fi, because it is also vulnerable. So we should avoid public Wi-Fi. Okay? So now let's head to the graph or the chart. As we can see, we have this horizontal, which is about time. We have this vertical. This is for the price. Okay, so the price or this vertical can only go upward or downward, and this horizontal, we can see this as moving to the right. Okay, so this should not go backward. That's impossible when it comes to trading. So this should uh, at right. Okay, so we will give an example for this. Let's head to tradingview.com, a website that is commonly used by traders to analyze a certain market. Okay, so as we can see, price is for vertical, time is for horizontal. So let's focus on the cursor that I am moving, or the mouse that I'm moving. As you can see, you will see there a crosshair. So we have the vertical dash line, we have the horizontal dash line. Okay, so the vertical is for price, and the dash line is for the uh, time. Okay, so if you move your mouse upward, you will see here that there is a certain price also moving. So that is the corresponding price when you are moving your mouse. You see, it's moving 37,400 plus, 37,600, 700. So it has the corresponding price when you are moving your mouse upward. So that's for the price. So you can also see it moving downward if we move our cursor downward. Okay, so there is always a corresponding price. So for time, we can see here a date, uh, which is November, or Tuesday, 21 November 23. Okay, so that's for the time. So for horizontal. Okay? So for example, you'd like to see the price from this candle to this candle. Okay? So let's use a tool here called price range. Okay? So first we point here up to here. Okay? So from here to here is 8.74%. So this price is around 34,894. So in this area, 37,917. So it has risen. Okay? So that's for the price. Now for the time, let's go to date range. So from here, example, from here up to here. Okay, so it took 1 day and 4 hours for the price to reach this area. This area is 37,900 plus. Okay, so the horizontal is for time. The vertical is for the price. Okay, so we have know the price and time. Okay, so later on we will also be discussing about candlesticks. So ladies and gents, please bear with us. This is just a basic. Okay, so the advance will be discussed next Sunday. So now we are moving to candlesticks. How do we read a candlestick? Okay, how do we read? Color green is pertaining for upward or so-called bullish. Color red is pertaining for downward or bearish. Okay? As you can see, we have bullish candle, we have the bearish candle. So now in this bullish candle, it's visible to us that we have high, we have the close, we have the open, and we have the low. Okay? So for example, the a certain market opens at this area. Okay, so it went down, but it failed to sustain this area, and the market pushes upward. Okay, pushes upward, but when the market reaches this area, uh, it did not sustain this area, so it moves down and closes here. So this close and high, open and low will be wick. Okay, this is called wick, tail, or shadow. Okay, this is tail, wick, or shadow. This is the body. Okay, so this is a bullish candlestick. When we say bullish, the price has risen. Okay, when we say bullish. So what about bearish? So bearish opens at this area, it rises, but it failed to sustain this area, and it went down. And again, it failed to sustain, and it closes at this area. So once again, this open high, close and low will become tail, shadow, or wick. Okay? So this is called bearish candle. It means the market moves or the market drops. Okay? A sell off has very clear a sell off has happened. Okay? So this is a buying candlestick or bullish candlestick. So that's how we read a candlestick. Okay, so for an instance, I have edited my candlestick. So as you can see, it is color blue because I already edited it. But the default of candlesticks are green for bullish, red for bearish. So I edited this. So I chose blue because I like I like this color. Okay, so as we can see, this candlestick is red. I mean blue. So this is a bullish candlestick. This one is red. This is a bearish candlestick. So if we see a certain candlesticks that are color green, that is going up, or the buyers are in favor. Okay, so when it is color red, the sellers are in favor. Okay, so they are selling. So once again, if these candlesticks are color red and going down, it has corresponding price. Okay, it has corresponding price. Just like this area is 37,900 plus, and this area is 35,500 plus. So it's very clear the price has dropped. Okay, so these are the candlesticks that we should learn. Red for bearish or sellers, blue, or I mean green for the buyers, or bullish candlesticks. Okay, so these are how these are the candlesticks that we should also learn. Now, what about time frame? So time frame is uh, if we go to a certain time frame. For example, we choose 4 hours time frame. Example, this is 4 hours time frame. So it means every candlestick has to use 4 hours before making another candlestick. Okay? So it means we need to wait 4 hours before this candlestick ends. Okay? So because we are in 4 hours, for example, we choose one day. If we chooses one day, if we choose one day, it needs one day before making new candlestick. So sir, how are we going to know if this candlestick is will end? In this area, it is very obvious that we have a countdown. Okay, so it is 9 hours and 20 minutes. So it has, this candlestick has 9 hours and 20 minutes left before making new candlestick, because this candlestick is one day. Okay, so example, we will be choosing for our time frame. So this candlestick needs 4 hours before making new candlestick, and the countdown for this, for our candlestick for our candlestick it has 1 hour and 19 minutes left before making new candlestick. So that's how we look for candlesticks or the time frame. Okay, so this is the time frame. So once again, if we say time frame, we will be looking at this area. Okay, so we have a lot of time frames here. We have the 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours. We also have one day. Okay, so when you are choosing 4 hour, this This area is for the countdown. Okay, so this candlestick needs to finish 4 hours before making new candlestick. Okay, and this area here is the countdown left before making a new one. Okay, so that's for the candlestick. I mean, time frame. So next is the chart. How do we chart? So this is a trading view platform which is very common for the analysts and traders. They are using this platform because it is user friendly and easy to use. So if you want to use this platform, you can just simply sign up, just like how you sign up in your social media platform. It is very simple. Okay, so just sign up, and this cryptocurrency is very, you know, easy to understand, to use here in tradingview.com. Okay, so it has a lot of features. For example, at this left side, there's a bunch of tools. Okay, there's a bunch of tools that we can use. So for example, this, if you point this at this arrow, little arrow here, it is a group of tools. Okay, you can use trend line, you can use horizontal ray, or whatever tools you are going to use. So we also have here the Fibonacci retracement, extensions, and so on. Okay, but don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, because this fib extension and fib retracement, we will be able to, or we will be discussing these tools when we are already in Elliott wave theory. Okay, so for now, this is for the basic use. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of tools here. So for indicators, if you want to add an indicator, example MACD, if you want to add a MACD, just head over at this area and type your favorite, or an indicator that you wanted to use. Okay, so for example, MACD. MACD stands for moving average, convergence, and divergence. So I already have one, so I have to skip that. Also, if you want RSI or whatever indicators you want to use, just type at this area. Okay, so RSI, for example, RSI is relative strength index. Okay, so I already have one here, so I have to skip those. So this is the basic tutorial, or on how to use TradingView. Okay, so don't worry, because in the course of the webinar, we will also, you know, do an analysis for this entire webinar. Okay, so these are the tools. Okay, so if you want to save your work, example, you want to put a trend line, example, you want to put a trend line, and you want to save your work, you just head over here at the upper right corner and uh, save your layout. Okay, so once you come to this platform again, your work has already been saved. Okay, so you don't need to uh, do it what do you call this, to repeat your work. Okay, so these are the basic use. Okay, so if you want to for example, if you want to put or manage your watch list, you just need to type, okay, here You just need to type your coin that you are looking to trade. Example, BTC, USDT. Okay, so example, you want to put it in this area or in your watch list. Okay, so in this area, you can see a plus sign and X. This X sign is removed. So I already have one, so I don't have to add it back. Okay, so if you want um, BTC USDT, just click this plus sign. Okay, so this these areas here are for uh, the coins that you have chosen in your watch list. Okay, so now let's move forward there. um this is centralized exchange, so we will be using kind protocol. So kind is a centralized exchange, and at the same time it is also a decentralized exchange. Okay, so if you'd like to create kind platform or you want to trade here, please do sign up and give it a try and trade at kind protocol. Okay, so uh, you need to register first, of course. uh, you have to choose. There's two options here. So if you'd like to trade here in kind protocol using their centralized exchange, you need to register. Okay, and then um, sign up your credentials or your username and password. Okay, so if you are fund of decentralized, so you need to choose the DEX or decentralized exchange. And if, for example, you have a crypto wallet, just like um, uh, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, you can directly connect it here. Okay, so connect your crypto wallet and you will be able to trade it here. Okay, so that's how kind protocol works. So kind has offer a lot of features. Okay, so you can trade here in perpetual, spot, and kind protocol has also reward center, so it has also futures bonuses. Okay, so example, you are already profitable in trading. Okay, you can also directly connect your crypto wallet in VGG. Okay, so you can directly connect it and do some quest events or contributions or scholarship. So VGG has also a lot to offer. So it has games if you are a game enthusiast. So you can head over here and sign up. Okay, so it has also marketplaces, articles, communities, contributions, and scholarships. Okay, so VGG has a lot to offer. Okay, so you can directly connect your crypto wallet on VGG. Okay, so at the same time, you can enjoy or what do you call this? Uh, while you are trading, you could also enjoy playing games or whatever stuffs you are fund. Okay, so now let's move to FA. What is FA? Okay, FA stands for fundamental analysis. Okay, when we heard FA, it is about fundamental analysis. This is a method of assessing the intrinsic value of a security, or for example, the value of cryptocurrency. So it can also affect the macroeconomic or microeconomic factors. Okay, so the very example of FA or fundamental analysis is news. Okay, news. Example, we have heard from this is just an example, ladies and gents. Example, we have heard uh, US will not accept cryptocurrency. So is it a bad news or good news? So it is obvious. It's a bad news. So when we heard bad news, of course, cryptocurrency will fall. Okay, sellers will arrive because it is a bad news. So another is the economic factor that could affect the trading. Okay? So how do we apply the FA or the fundamental analysis? So let's take an example, the forexfactory.com. This is just an example for us to learn how fundamental analysis works. Okay? So example, mm, right there. So forexfactory.com is one of the examples that are out there for the economic factor. Okay? So as we can see at this left corner, we have the calendar. Okay, we have the calendar, we have the date, the time, the currency, and the impact. Okay, we have the impact, we have the forecast, we have the detail, the actual, the previous, and the graph. So um, we will be focusing on using the information here. So, sir, what what does it mean when the impact is color red? Okay, so we have already filtered it out into red. Okay, we did not check the brown, yellow, and gray because this impact is not really, high impact. So we just choose the red one. Okay, and of course we are using USD. We don't need to check all of this because we are not in forex trading, so we are in cryptocurrency. So choose USD only. Okay, then apply filter. Okay, so you need to apply the filter. So if we see an impact that is color red, it means if we look at this legend, it means high impact. So we should expect that there is an impact when it is color red. Okay, so example example at this let's choose one. um let's find a clear the previous that's already been given. Oh, here. So just click this detail. Okay, just click this detail for the information. So this was on October 6, 8:30 p.m. PH time. So there was a unemployment rate result. So just click this detail and head over this area. So this is usual effect. So what does it say? If the actual is less than the forecast, it is good for currency. So this is just an example, ladies and gents. According here, if the actual is less than forecast, it is good for currency. So we have the actual, the forecast, and the previous. So our forecast here is 3.7%, but the actual is 3.8%, as we can see here, 3.8%. So it means, according here, actual less than forecast is good for currency. So since the result is higher than the forecast, it is good for currency or USD or DXY. So what will happen if uh, the forecast or the result is, or the actual is higher than the forecast? USD will USD will rise, or the DXY. Okay? DXY, because USDT is 1:1. Okay? So DXY. So example, it's a good news for USD. So what will happen to BTC? BTC will fall. Why? Because according to the result, if the actual is uh if the actual is less than forecast, it is good for currency. So sorry for my mistake. If the actual is less than forecast, it is good for currency. So the result is higher than the forecast. So it is not good for USD, because we are referring to USD. So it is not good for USD. So therefore BTC will rise. Why? Because the result here is uh, bad news for USD. The actual, if the actual is less than forecast, it's good for currency or it's good for USD. But the result is higher than the forecast, so BTC will rise. Why? Because USD will fall. Okay? Because it's not good for currency if the actual is higher than the forecast, right? So BTC will rise. Okay? So BTC will rise and DXY will fall. Okay, so that's how we look into fundamental analysis. That's how we analyze a certain market when it comes to fundamental analysis or FA. So just follow what we have with what we have teach. So you will be able to learn this by just reading this detail. Okay? Detail, and head over at this area, which is, it says usual effect. Okay, so we need to comprehend this um, statement here. Okay, so that's how we analyze a certain market when it comes to fundamental analysis. Okay, so now, what is TA? Okay, TA is technical analysis. Okay, TA is technical analysis. It is a tool or method used to predict the probable future price movement of a security, or for example, cryptocurrency. Why is it a tool or a method? What is technical analysis? Accordingly, in our example, let's say, okay, let's say, if, for example, we use trend line, just one trend line, okay? For example, if we connect this trend line at this area to the next area, okay? So for example, if we connect to this candlestick to this candlestick, example, I'd like to use this single trend line to help me out to choose if the market will go up or go down. So, therefore, even if you are just using one trend line for the sake that it has helped you to analyze a certain market, it is already called technical analysis. Okay? It is already called technical analysis. Why? Because it has helped you to predict the probable future price movement. Okay? So if you want to use indicators, for example, indicators have helped you on analyzing the market. It is already a technical analysis. Okay? So even if it's just a single trend line, for the sake, okay, for the sake that it has helped you, it is already called technical analysis. Okay? So what more if you are using different strategies? For example, Elliott wave theory, AST, or harmonic patterns or charting patterns. So those will help the traders to predict the market. So what is it? It's already called a technical analysis. So even if you are just using one trend line, if it has helped you, it's already called technical analysis. Okay? So that's technical analysis or TA. So that's how we apply. So that's the application of technical analysis. If we are using tools, okay, if we are using tools or indicators, it's already called technical analysis. So for example, I will add trend line. Okay? So whichever breaks first, for example, this lower trend line, so I will put sell at this area. So it means it has helped me. So it means this is technical analysis already. Okay? So even if you are just using one trend line, it is already technical analysis. Okay? So these are the basic discussions that we have done. Okay, so for the next session, so our basic ends here. So once again, I'm very sorry for my English because this is not my mother tongue. Okay, so once again, our basic ends here. So next Sunday, we will be discussing the advance. Okay, so that will be on the next Sunday. So please bear with us and learn with us because this is a 3 months course. Okay, so that's every Sunday provided by WGG and Kind Protocol. So once again, this is a very great help for everyone, for those aspiring traders who want to learn how to trade and how to earn. Okay, so if you knew already how to trade when we are already done in our webinar. For example, you are already profitable, so you can add up on your WGG account or connect your WGG account from your crypto wallet. And if you are gaming enthusiast, so you can enjoy the features of WGG. Okay, so that's it for now. We have discussed about the basic. Okay, so next week, uh, Sunday, we will be discussing the advance. Okay, so that's our discussion for this uh, webinar. So I'll give the floor back to Sir Aldrin of Kind Protocol. Sir.
Hello, hello. Wow, what an amazing lesson for us today, Sir Jason. I'm pretty sure that a lot of viewers from our different channels like Discord, YouTube, and wherever we are streaming right now have actually learned about, especially on the fundamental analysis and technical analysis of cryptocurrency trading. So thank you, Sir Jason, for having us, sir, this evening. We are very honored that you are joining us with this lesson. So, guys, oh my God, if I were you, I would try to connect with Sir Jason right now and connect with his Telegram group because, to be honest, Sir Jason has been teaching, like he said, for about approximately around 6 years, right, Sir Jason?
Yes, sir.
Oh, see, so imagine that guy. Sir Jason was already starting to learn about cryptocurrency, about trading since 2011, and has been teaching for about 6 years now. Imagine that lessons, guys. You don't believe in these kinds of, you don't really meet a lot of people who are in depth in the Web3 since the start. A lot of influencers, a lot of mentors have just started during the bull market on the previous bull market. But unlike Sir Jason, he has a lot of experience. He has a lot of witness the different ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market, even foreign exchange market. Sir Jason have already been involved and been call this have been involved and have been a product of forex and stock. I think even stock, Sir Jason, right? Or have you tried stock?
I've not tried stock, sir, but forex I've tried already.
Oh, okay. So yeah, so imagine that.
But I'm
So
also analyzing stock market for our fellow traders if they would like to ask me for some analysis for
mm,
their stock market that they have chosen. So they ask my help to analyze a certain market for stock.
I
So,
see.
but I'm not really into stock market. So, I'm just focusing on forex market and cryptocurrency.
I see. Yeah, I think that's quite good to be honest. That's actually one of the benefits of learning about trading, especially with our mentor, Sir Jason. The one he's teaching right now is actually applicable to all markets, even stocks, even forex, or even crypto. So the good thing about it is that even though, yes, trading lessons are activated online, it's free online, but the good thing about this lesson, it will guide you on what are the first steps, the second, the third, and the final steps to your trading career. So imagine that, guys, if you will become one of our students for every class we do on every Sunday of the week, I'm pretty sure that you will be an effective trader someday, even if you're on the stock market, on the foreign exchange market, or in the cryptocurrency market. We are all traders and we are all using the same techniques, the same strategies. But the good thing about Sir Jason is that he developed his own strategy since 2016. It's actually a Filipino owned strategy, which is the advanced sequential trading. So, actually, if you want to learn more about advanced sequential trading at your own very least time, you can connect with Sir Jason with his Telegram. We can put it up on the site. At the same time, if you are from, let's say, in the US, in Canada, or even around the globe, you can support Sir Jason by buying his book. Actually, it's actually available on Amazon, so you can search on the Advanced Sequential Trading. It's available on Amazon. Try to purchase it and connect with Sir Jason. I'm sure he will give you a free trading lesson. So imagine that, guys. You can, if you have his book, you can learn about his trading. You can learn about his strategies, and I'm pretty sure you will be an effective trader like himself. So, anyways, that's it for us for now. We'll see you again next Sunday. A must await week class again. We're gonna tackle about the advanced trading lessons. So don't forget, guys. Every Sunday we'll be having our week class. At the same time, of course, don't forget to follow and like and subscribe to WGG YouTube channel, because every day we have something ready for you guys. So every day there is an activity in WGG. You can follow us and at the same time connect with us and join us with our activity daily. So you imagine that, guys, WGG is here for you to grow and build your own dream. Imagine that. So anyways, thank you, sirs. Thank you, ma'ams, or whoever are watching our week class at the moment. Thank you for VGG on to our CEO Irene for giving us this opportunity, and thank you to Sir Jason for giving us and sharing his wisdom and knowledge on cryptocurrency trading. So, anyways, here in the Philippines, it's already 11 p.m. So, if you're watching here in the Philippines, good night to everyone. If you are from the Eastern or from Western, good morning, I think it's, or good afternoon. So, anyways, have a nice day, everyone, and see you again on next Sunday. Thank you, Sir Jason, for this wonderful lesson.
WXP is our unique XP point that can be used as credit to purchase merchandise on our platform. You can earn WXP by participating in activities such as events and tournaments on the platform. You can check your tasks by clicking on your tab to complete the task and claim a reward. You can check your WXP by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. WXP can be used to purchase items on our marketplace at w3gg.io/marketplace. More items will be available in the future. That's not all. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future.